Okay, guys, let us start the session. Is everyone can view my screen? Jahnavi, Teja?
Yeah, it's visible.
So, am I audible?
I can hear you.
Yes.
So, last class, I just taken 30 minutes of session, that too orally. I do not write any notes on the screen. So, let us start the class today. The last class, the half an hour session, whatever we discussed, I just want to recap the points once. So, as I said in the last session, okay, we have, three important key players in IT industry. Okay, Teja? So, we have three important persons in IT industry or software industry. Do you know who are those people? One is vendor or, product-based companies. Second one, service-based companies. And who is the third person here? Clients. Okay, Jahnavi, Teja, understand? Vendor
Yeah.
companies, service-based companies, and clients. These are the three main key players in IT industry. So the vendor companies are product-based companies like, Microsoft. We have something called IBM, SAP, Google, Oracle. These are all, okay, we have so many companies are there. These are all what? Vendor companies or product-based companies. And coming to service-based companies like, TCS, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, Capgemini. We have plenty of companies in the market, right? Okay. So these are all vendor companies or product-based companies, and these are all service-based companies. Could you please tell me what is the difference between vendor companies and service-based companies?
Mainly, vendor companies have the product.
What kind of products? What kind of products they're manufacturing? Vendor companies, product-based companies are, manufacturers their own software products, like their own operating systems, their own programming languages, their own database products, their own, applications, their own technologies. These are all developed by vendor companies. Okay, for your better understanding, let me give a small example. So Microsoft company, even a small kid know about this company name. Microsoft company developed their own operating system that we are using in our daily life. What is the operating system developed by Microsoft company?
Windows.
Windows.
Yeah.
IBM company developed their own database product. You know what is the database product developed by Oracle company? So IBM company. Is anyone here this name DB2? Database 2. Database 2 is one kind of database just like Oracle. This database product developed by IBM company. And coming to SAP, okay, it is developed by one programming language. What is a programming language developed by SAP company? Anyone knows?
ABAP.
ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming. ABAP is a programming language just like C and Java. This programming language developed by SAP. Like that, Google company developed their own application. What is the application we are using here? Gmail, Google Maps, yes or no? These are the different applications we can developed by Google company. Like that, Oracle company developed their own database product. What is this journal here? Oracle. So in case of Oracle, company name and product name both are same. So according to my explanation, or as per my explanation, what you understand is product-based companies are those companies, they're manufacturing their own software products like operating systems, programming languages, database, applications, technologies. These are all developed by vendor companies or product-based companies. Using these software products, service-based companies like TCS, Cognizant, these are the companies are developing software applications. Developing what? Software applications. Service-based companies are developing software applications like banking applications, like telecom applications, like hotel applications, like automobile applications, some hotel applications, hospital applications. These are all developed by service-based companies. But what is my question is, service-based companies are developing software applications for whom? For whom they will develop? For clients. Yes or no? Who are the clients here? Clients are the business persons. Yes or no? Clients are the business people. These are the people doing some business in the market. Okay, some of them doing in banking business, some of them doing insurance business, some of them doing hotel business, some of them doing hospital business, some of them into education, some of them into telecom, some of them doing automobile business. We have different kinds of business in the market. Understand the point here? Okay. Suppose automobile business, like, Maruti, BMW, we have Toyota. So we have plenty of companies that belongs to what automobile industry. And coming to telecom, we have BSNL, we have Zio, we have Airtel, we have Vodafone Idea. Yes or no? These people comes under what? Telecom industry. Janani, are you following or not? Janani, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. So these are the points. Of course, in the last class already discussed. Just want to recap the points once. Okay. Just try to recall the points. Education. We have JNTU. We have something called, Symbiosis. We have IGNO. So we have so many universities are there. These people comes under what? Education. And coming to hospitals, we have Apollo. We have Care, KIMS, Ashoda, All Indian Institute of Medical Sciences. Okay, these people comes under what? Hospital business. Hotel industries, Taj Group. They have ITC Kaktiya, Novotel. All these comes under what? Hotel business. LIC of India Insurance. Right. We have banking, ICICI. We have HDFC, we have Citibank, These people are comes under what? Banking industries. So business people are using software applications in their business. Yes or no? Teja,
Yes, yes, yes. Right.
applications in their business. So let me tell about the relation between all the three people first. So as per this explanation, what you understand is there are three important persons in IT industry. One is vendor companies, second one is service-based companies, third one is clients. So what is the relation between all the three people? Vendor companies or product-based companies are manufacturing their own software products. Using those products, service-based companies are developing the software applications as per the requirement of the clients, and clients are using software applications in their business. So this is the relation between all the three people. Am I clear this part of the explanation? Yes or no?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Not only clients, not only business people are using software applications. Even common man also using software applications in daily life. Are you accept or not? Hello?
Yes.
Even common man also using software applications in our daily life. Accepted this point.
Yeah.
Come on. So we are using some banking applications every day. Okay, we are using some travel applications. We are using some entertainment applications. Yes or no? Like Spotify, Ghana.com. Okay, we have something called Book My Show. Travel applications like Make My Trip. Yes or no? IRCTC. Banking applications like what? Mobile banking, net banking, phone pay. Come on. Google Pay. Paytm. Some banking applications. So these are all comes under what? Banking. So many applications we are using in our daily life. Tell me, my question is, what are the advantages of using software applications in our life? What are the benefits of using software applications? Is anyone can tell, please? Janvi?
Yeah, we can actually get instant updates um, through phone base. We can pay our payments anywhere. Uh, so that makes very easy. We can plan trips through using travel apps.
Okay. Any other advantages, please? Janvi?
It is faster. Within no time, we can do our work.
Okay. Next. Anything else? That's it. I'll explain you. I'll directly come to the point. Last class, I told you three major advantages. Do you remember, Janvi?
Oh, yes. Scalability.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, any other advantage? It saves the
Speed.
time.
Speed. Yes. Saves
Second
time.
one, security.
Yeah.
Third one is what here?
Scalability.
Scalability. So these are the three major, of course, apart from these three, we have so many other advantages also there. I'm not talking about those things. So I majorly concentrate on these 3 points. Time saving, security, and what? Scalability. What are the, how time will save if you're using software application? Let us take a small example. Jahnavi, you and myself both are the friends. You are living in Baroda, Gujarat, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm living in Hyderabad. So you and myself both are the friends last 40 years. Let us assume like this, okay?
Yeah.
So, Teja, one fine morning, I called Jahnavi. She's my friend living in Baroda, Gujarat. I'm living in Hyderabad. One fine morning, I called her and asked her to transfer 10,000 rupees to my account. Okay. So then immediately what happens? So she has to wait till open the bank. So she is having the account in State Bank of India. She went to the bank. In the bank, she need to take some withdrawal form. She need to fill the forms. They given some token to her. She need to wait some time. Sir, no. 1 minute, please. Hello. She need to wait for some time. After that, she can withdraw 10,000 rupees from her account. Yes or no? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Then I have the account in Punjab National Bank, PNB, Punjab National Bank. I have the account in Punjab National Bank, and she need to go to Punjab National Bank in Baroda. There she need to take some deposit form, fill the form, stand in the queue, deposit 10,000 rupees into my account. Tell me, Teja, in the entire process, how many banks she need to visit? 2 different banks, right? One is State Bank of India, the other one is what? Punjab National Bank, PNB, right? One bank she need to withdraw, in another bank she need to deposit. Tell me, the whole transaction takes minimum 1 hour time, right? Teja? Janavi?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Are you following what I'm speaking here?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Am I going fast?
No.
Yeah. Thank you. So the whole process takes minimum 1 to 1.5 hour time. So that is long back story. Suppose today morning I called her and asked her to deposit 10,000 rupees or transfer 10,000 rupees. She no need to open the bank. Yes or no? She no need to wait till open the bank. Still, just simply open her mobile. She opened the PhonePe application. Through this application, she can easily transfer the funds to my account within a fraction of seconds. Yes or no? Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is PhonePe? What is Google Pay? These are all software applications. Using these applications, I can easily perform this transaction without wasting much time. So this is how we can save our time. Is this clear? Is this example is clear, both of you?
Yes.
Teja,
Yes,
am I
yes.
audible?
Understand.
Do you understand this example?
Yes, yes,
Do you
yes.
understand this example? Yes or no?
Yeah,
1 minute, please. Yeah, tell me.
yeah.
Hello? Oh, okay. Clear? Next point is security. Next point is what here? Security. Nowadays, everyone doing cashless transactions. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes.
Ravi? Every transaction is a cashless transaction. Every transaction is what? Cashless transaction. Tell me, I want to buy some fruits, I want to buy some groceries. I go to the supermarket. I can pay the bill through my credit card or debit card. I don't need to carry the cash. Yes or no, Teja? Come on.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. And sorry. Yeah. Suppose, how can you recharge your mobile? Through online. How can you book the train tickets through online? How can you recharge your dish antenna, dish bill through mobile? How can you recharge your FASTag? Come on, through PhonePe or Google Pay. Every transaction is a cashless transaction. The people are not carrying carrying the cash in their wallets. Once you do not carry the cash, indirectly are getting the security. Yes or no? So this is the second advantage of using what? Come on, software application. Coming to the third advantage. What is the third advantage here? Scalability. What is the meaning of scalability here? As I said, my friend, she is living in Vadodara or Baroda. I'm living in Hyderabad. She is having the account in Punjab National Bank. I have the account in State Bank of India. So she withdraw 10,000 rupees from her bank. If she want to deposit 10,000 rupees to my account, she need to travel all the way from Baroda to Hyderabad. I have the account in State Bank of India, Jubilee Hills branch. Generally, Jubilee Hills is one of the place in Hyderabad. Okay, I heard this name.
Okay. No.
Yeah, it is one of the place, one of the place in Hyderabad. In the
Okay.
Jubilee Hills branch, I have the account. So if you want to
Okay.
deposit 10,000 rupees into my account, you need to travel from Baroda to Hyderabad. Okay, you have to go to the branch where I opened the account. You have to go to Jubilee Hills branch. In that branch only you can deposit. Why? Because 40, 50 years back, every bank, every branch working independently. But once software came into the market, we can integrate all the banks, we can integrate all the branches across the globe, across the world. So this is called scalability means. So we can achieve the scalability, we can get the security, we can save our time. These are the three major advantages of using what? Software applications. Am I clear this part of the explanation about the advantages of using software applications? All two members in the class?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. Any questions? You can ask, please. Okay, fine. Thank you. So coming to the next important point. So this is only one side of the coin. So far we discussed about only advantages. But what is the other side of the coin here? The other side of the coin is what are the difficulties? What are the intricacies of using software applications? Intricacies means difficulties. Intricacies means what? Difficulties. Is anyone can tell what are the difficulties of using software applications? I'll explain you. This is very, very important rather than advantages. What are the difficulties of using software applications? If you understand the difficulties, then only you can understand the concept of cloud computing. The concept of cloud computing. Okay. 1 minute, please, everyone in the class.
Okay.
Please hang on. Yeah, sorry guys. So what are the difficulties of using software applications? So please focus on this point, both of you here. Why? Because if you understand the difficulties of software applications, then only you can understand the advantage of cloud computing. Why? Because Salesforce is a cloud computing technology. First of all, what is Salesforce? Let me discuss about this point. Actually, Salesforce is a vendor company or product-based company like Microsoft, IBM. Salesforce is what? Company name. In fact, it can be called as salesforce.com. In short, we can call it as SFDC. What is SFDC stands for? Salesforce.com. This is the company name like Microsoft. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. Who is the CEO of this company? Mark Benioff. And this company runs on cloud computing technology. This is the background history of Salesforce. If someone asking, what is Salesforce? First of all, you have to tell this answer. Salesforce is a vendor company like Microsoft. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. The company CEO is Mark Benioff. And this company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. Okay. So let me show some picture here. Mark Benioff, CEO of Salesforce.com company. Look at this, everyone here. Teja.
Yes.
And he is the CEO of the company Salesforce.com. Fine. Next. What are the difficulties of using software applications? Let me discuss about these points. What are the difficulties? Let us take a elaborate example of this particular point so that you can clearly understand the difficulties here. Let us assume I'm a business person. I have a company called XYZ company. What is the company name here? XYZ company. This company is going to start maybe next year. That is why I need some application, some software application. So I given this project to a development company called TCS. What is TCS here? TCS is a development company, right? Come on, guys, yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
From TCS point of view, who am I? Who is XYZ? Come on,
Right.
this is a client.
Yeah.
So TCS need to develop the application, need to develop the project as per the client requirement, right, Janavi?
Yes.
If TCS wants to develop the application as per the client requirement, if TCS wants to develop the application as per the client requirement, sorry, I need some water. I don't know what happened.
Hello.
If TCS wants to develop the application as per the client requirement, TCS need or any developer need minimum three things to develop the application. What is that? . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . .. .. .. .. .. .. .. .. .. ... .. .. .. ... ................................... They need one programming language. They need some database. And also they need one operating system. Understand everyone here?
Yeah.
Yes, understood.
Yeah. Without programming language, without database, without OS, it is not possible to develop the application. Of course, whether it is a small application or bigger application, okay, that is a different story. But if you want to develop the application as a developer, you should require minimum 3 things. So programming language is meant for to develop the business logic. Programming language is used for to develop the company business logic. Okay. And database is meant for to store the
So data.
company's information. Yes or no?
Yes.
And coming to the operating system, without operating system, system cannot run. Because operating system is the most essential thing, yes or no, to run the system.
Yes, yes.
So without OS, without database, without programming language, we cannot develop the application for any company. These are the 3 minimum prerequisites. Okay, no? Fine. So in this particular example, TCS decided to develop the application using one programming language called ABAP. Which language? ABAP programming language. Using ABAP, they want to develop the application.
Yeah.
And back database, they want to use, something like Oracle
HANA.
database
Yeah.
or HANA, whatever it is. Okay. HANA is a database, Jahnavi. It is developed by, again, SAP company. HANA, HANA, okay, Oracle.
Okay.
And they want to use Windows operating system. Windows operating system. First of all, tell me, ABAP programming language, this is the product developed by which company?
SAP.
Oracle?
Oracle.
Oracle. Windows?
Windows. Microsoft, yeah, sorry.
So this point is very important, what I'm going to ask here. Huh? Is TCS can use pirated software to develop the application?
No.
No.
Pirated means what? Duplicate software.
Yeah.
Okay? No. So TCS, the company like TCS, Cognizant, they are not supposed to use what? Duplicate softwares to develop the application. If they want to develop the application, they need to buy
License.
original, what is this?
License.
Licensed software products.
Yeah.
From whom?
The product-based
Vendor
companies.
company. They need to buy licensed software from vendor companies, right?
Yeah.
Licensed software products. So, do you know what is the cost of ABAP programming language? Original product cost? Maybe approximately 10 lakhs. Oracle cost approximately 15 lakhs. Windows operating system cost approximately 5 lakhs. Okay. Let us assume like this. So 10 plus 15 plus 5, total how much? 30 lakhs. So in this example, TCS need to invest 30 lakhs. They need to buy all 3 products from all 3 vendor companies. Yes or no, Jahnavi?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Using all the 3 products, they bought all the products from all 3 vendor companies. Using these 3 products, TCS company developed the application as per the client requirement. So development completed, testing is also completed, and they deploy the application at the client's place. So tomorrow, this company employees are going to use the application. Okay. But this company systems having Linux operating system. Let us assume like this. XYG company having what? Linux operating system. But this application developed on which operating system? Windows. So Windows operating system application can run on Linux operating system? No. That is why, again, client also need to buy all these three products from three vendor companies. They also need to invest how much here? 30 lakhs. Then only this application can run. Yes or no?
Yes.
This point clearly.
Yeah.
Tej and January. This application is developed on Windows operating system as Oracle database backend, a web programming language. But the client systems contains Linux operating system. But this application developed on Windows operating system. So this application obviously cannot run on what? Linux operating system. If they want to make use of this application, even client also need to buy all the three products from all three vendor companies. So client also need to invest how much here? Come on.
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Okay. So total here, 16 lakhs business coming to 16 lakhs business coming to whom here? Come on. Vendor or product-based companies.
Yeah.
Now tell me one simple question I'm asking. Among these three people, development companies, clients, and vendor companies, among these three people, who are getting more business in the market? Come on, speak out. Clients, development companies, and vendor companies, among these three people, who will get more business in the market?
Vendor companies.
Vendor companies, right? That is
Yes.
the vendor companies people or vendor company owners are the richest people in the world. Yes or no?
Yes, yes. That's right.
Accepted this point, January?
Yes.
Who is Bill Gates? Microsoft owner. Who is Larry Ellison? Oracle company owner. Who is Mark Zuckerberg? Facebook
Mm,
owner. Yes or
Facebook
no?
owner.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
So if you type in the Google top 10 billionaires in the world, out of 10 people, minimum 3 to 4 people belongs to vendor companies only.
Yeah.
Accepted this? Why they are
Yeah.
richest people? Because they're getting more business than development companies and as well as clients. Am I clear this point?
Yeah.
Yeah, very clear.
Yeah. And one more important point in the software field, one more problem in the software field is this license, whatever we purchased, this license, whatever we bought from the vendor companies, can we use these products lifelong forever and ever? No,
Some, yeah,
you
some
cannot
have
use.
lifetime. Okay.
Maximum 4 to 5 years. After that, again, you have to renew the license. Yes or no?
Yeah, but some products have lifetime licenses also there for some products.
Yeah, maybe some products I'm talking, not all the products.
Yeah,
Okay?
right.
They'll give the license to some extent only. After
Yes,
that,
yes,
again, you have to renew the license. And
yeah.
apart from that, in the software field, versions keep on changing. Versions is not constant. Yes or no?
Yes, we want to update it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So whenever version will change, accordingly, we have to upgrade the software. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. In the year of 2000, Java 2.0 came into the market. Okay. The latest version of Java is maybe 11.0. Between 2.0 to 11.0, there are so many advanced concepts are added. Yes or no? Advanced technologies is added in the software. So I cannot use what? 2.0 today. Okay, how to upgrade myself to run my application. Clear? So that accordingly, how to upgrade the software. So whenever I upgrade the software, again, how to install the software. And also I need to maintain the software. What is this? I have to maintain the software. What is the meaning of maintenance? Both the clients and development companies, I'm not talking about the product-based companies here. Both development companies and clients, they need to keep on upgrading the software, install the software, and also what? Maintain the software. What is the meaning of maintaining the software? They have to maintain their own database servers. They have to maintain their own application servers. They have to maintain their own networks. They have to maintain their own firewalls. Yes or no? It all comes under what? Maintenance. Unfortunately, maybe company database service crash. Then what they have to do? Again, they have to reinstall the database server. They have to take the backups. For it, they need to hire DBAs, database administrators. They have to pay the salaries, okay, to them. It's all comes under what here? Maintenance. So ultimately, what I'm trying to tell is the major drawbacks, the major difficulties of using software applications from both clients and as well as development companies' point of view. They need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software. And also they have to maintain the software in their own. Ultimately, it leads to, what is this? Increase the, what is this? Setup cost. Am I clear this part of the application? Am I clear this part of the explanation, please?
Yeah, it's very clear.
Yes.
January. So
Yes.
these are the three major problems the companies are facing. These are the three major problems clients and development companies are facing. Okay? They need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software. They need to maintain the softwares. So ultimately, it is increasing the setup cost. Because of the setup cost, only top level companies, or I can say premium level companies are using software applications in their business, but not small companies or medium level companies. Understand the point here? Everybody, please read this point. Only top level companies are using software applications, but not, come on, the smaller
Premium level
companies
companies are using
are
software
medium level
applications.
companies.
Yeah.
Now, Teja got it out here. How can you say this statement? On what basis you can say this statement? I'll give the example. You people know about KFC, McDonald's, Papa John's and all, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Suppose I go to the KFC restaurant, I ordered one burger. If I ordered one burger in the KFC, there's a person who is standing in front of the system. He feeds my order into the system and he given some printed token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. Yes or no?
Yes.
Suppose if you go to the KFC, if you go to the McDonald's, if you go to the Papa John's or Domino's, okay, Pizza Hut, whatever it is, if you go in a restaurant, okay, they're having its own systems in the restaurant. Yes or no? In that systems, they're having its own software to run, right? Come on, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Suppose in Hyderabad, I go to the small bakery. In the bakery also, I ordered the same kind of burger. The bakery owner simply take the order and give the order to me. He do not maintain any systems and he do not maintain any software to run this business. Now tell me all of you, why KFC using software application to run the business? Why not bakery? Because KFC has lots of branches across the globe, across the world, right? Come on,
Yes.
speak out.
Yes.
KFC business turnover in crores.
Battery does not affect that much of.
Yeah, that is why KFC can afford what setup cost.
Yes,
But
sir.
coming to bakery is only small branch. Okay. The bakery turnover maximum thousands and lakhs in a year. That is why the bakery owner cannot afford what setup cost. That is the reason bakery cannot use what software application. So I can say in this example, KFC is a top level company, whereas bakery is a small company. Am I clear this part, everyone?
Yes.
So according
Yes.
to this point, what you understand is only top level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. What could be the reason? This is the reason. They cannot afford the setup cost.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
But in the entire world, small companies are more and top level companies, big companies are more.
Small company.
Small companies are more, count wise, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So, how to make use of these small companies and medium level companies? The only solution is what? We have to reduce the cost, yes or no?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Once you reduce the cost, even small and medium level companies also can use software applications in their business. Do you understand what I'm speaking? For example,
Yes.
right now I wore Calvin and Klein t-shirt. Which t-shirt I wore now? Calvin Klein company t-shirt. This t-shirt cost is 5,000 rupees. Just night t-shirt cost is how much? 5,000 rupees. Tell me in India, out of 100 people, how many people can afford 5,000 rupees t-shirt cost? Approximately 5 people or 10 people. So company will get 25,000 rupees business. Yes or no?
Yes.
But if the same company reduces the cost of 5,000 t-shirts to maybe 2,000 t-shirt, 5,000 to 2,000, out of 100 people, 80 people can buy this. Yes or no? Come on. Once you reduce the cost, then number of customers will increase, right?
Right. Yes.
If number
Yes.
of customers will increase, company will get how much business? 1,60,000 business will get. So the same logic we are applying here. If you reduce the cost, the number of customers will increase. If number of customers will increase, automatically get more business, right? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes.
got it. Yeah.
But how to reduce the cost? How to reduce the cost? This is the question arises. How to reduce the cost?
We use open source softwares
Yeah.
to reduce the cost.
So this is the question arises from the vendor company's point of view. Okay, that is why they come up with a new concept name is called, what is this?
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing. Now Teja got it out. How cloud computing reduces the setup cost is, first of all, tell me what is the meaning of cloud computing. Cloud computing is not a rocket science, very simple concept actually, in fact. Okay, what is cloud computing means? Cloud computing is a technology or it is a concept. In this technology, whatever IT services we need, everything will provide by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, we just need only, come on, internet connection and access those services. Everybody please read this paragraph. It is a technology, it is a concept. Which one? Cloud computing. In this concept, whatever services we require, every service will provide by vendor company. If you want to access these IT services, the only thing what we require is what? Internet connection. If we have internet facility, we can access all these services We can access these services through your laptop, your mobile. You can use an iPad, you can use your desktop, or any smart device we can use. We can access all the services. The only thing you require to use these services is you should have good internet connection. If we have internet facility, all these IT services are given by vendor company, so that you no need to install the software, you no need to upgrade the software, you no need to maintain the software. Everything will provide by whom here? Vendor company.
Vendor company.
You no need to buy the software, you no need to maintain the software, you no need to install the software, you no need to upgrade the software. Everything will provide by vendor company from their end. Do you understand what I'm speaking?
Yeah.
For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example about this. Suppose every day I want to check my mails and also I want to take printout. This is what I want to do every day. Every day I want to check my mails and also I want to take the printout. For this, what I have to do? I need to buy one, what is this? Laptop. And also I need to buy one printer. Come on, what I need? I need to buy some white papers, correct or not?
Yes.
And also I need to take some internet connection from any internet service provider, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good. Laptop cost approximately 50,000. Printer cost approximately 10,000. White papers every month approximately I need to spend 500 rupees. Internet charges approximately 1,000 rupees. Altogether, I have to invest near about 60,000 rupees approximately, right? Yes or no?
Right.
Okay. So instead of investing 60,000 rupees unnecessarily, simply I go to where? I need to go to where?
Internet center.
For
Internet
internet
center.
connection.
Yeah. In the internet
Uh,
center, I can check my mails. Can we check the mails in the internet center?
yeah.
Yes. Can we take the printout in the internet center?
Yes.
Yes. So, who given the systems? Who given the printer facility? Who given the white papers to take the printout? Who given the internet service? The internet center owner. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. The way how internet center owner providing all these services in the same way, all these services are given by whom here? Come on, vendor company.
Vendor company. Okay.
So that you no need to buy the software, you no need to install the software, you no need to maintain the software. Everything will be taken care of by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, if you want to access these services, we just need only what? Internet connection. And whatever services we are using, how much service we are using, for those services only we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. This is called pay-per-use model. What is this?
Pay-per-use.
Pay-per-use. The name itself implies whatever
Yes.
services we are using, for that service only we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. Take the same example. I go to the internet center. I'm using 1 hour internet in the internet center. How much I need to pay? Maximum 30 rupees or 40 rupees, right?
Yeah.
Next day I'm going, second day, I'm using 30 minutes. I have to pay only 10 to 15 rupees. Third day I'm going, if I'm using 3 hours, I have to pay 100 rupees. So how much time I'm using and whatever services I'm using, for those services only I have to pay. I don't need to pay anything extra. This is called pay-per-use model. Same way here also, whatever services we are using, how much service we are using, for those services only we have to pay to whom? Vendor company. So that once cloud computing came into the market, the both vendor companies, clients and development companies are free from maintaining the software, installing the software and upgrading the software. Okay, everything will be taken care of by whom here? Vendor company. The way in this example, the way how internet center owner providing all these facilities to us, in the same way, here also the vendor company providing all IT services over the internet. That's it. This is the meaning of what? Cloud computing. If you understand this example, the internet center example, you can easily understand the meaning of or the concept of cloud computing. Am I clear this part of the explanation, both of you here?
Clear, got it.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So today's session, we just discussed about who are the important persons in IT industry, the relation between all the three people, about product-based companies, service-based companies, and clients. Then after we discussed about advantages, and also we discussed about the difficulties. And all these difficulties we can overcome by using the concept name is called cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? So these are the points in today's session we were discussed. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
1 minute, because I have another session at 8 o'clock. They're waiting. So that's it. So I hope you understand. I hope you enjoy the session today, right? Janavi?
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow class, we will discuss about, I keep on saying that vendor company providing IT services, IT services. What kind of IT services vendor company provides? Regarding IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, infrastructure as service, platform as service, software as service. Regarding all these services, we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Okay. If anyone have any queries regarding the today's session, you please ask. Otherwise, we'll continue tomorrow. Any questions, any queries, please?
I have one question, not regarding today's session. Today's session was clear, but I want to just overview of our Salesforce training.
Yeah, actually, I forgot to explain the topics what we are going to cover in the syllabus, Jan.
Yeah.
Actually, in the first day itself, I have to explain. I forgot. January, total 6 modules you are going to cover in the syllabus. It takes near about 3 to 4 months of time. So out of 6
Okay.
modules, the first module is configuration part. The second one is admin. Third one is CRM. The fourth one is development. Fifth one is integration. Last one, sixth one is LWC, Lightning Web Components.
Okay.
So total 6 modules. It is very vast syllabus and very advanced technology, Janvi.
Okay.
Okay. And every day, 1 hour class between 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and 6 days a week. Sunday is a holiday. And every day, I will provide the running notes, materials, interview questions, and all. And also, I will provide the project at the end of the session, end of the syllabus. Okay.
Okay.
So, regarding the content and all, I will explain you elaborately in tomorrow's session because the other people are waiting for me for the next session.
Okay. Not an issue.
Yeah. Any questions?
No. For programming language, for development part.
January, you need not bother about the programming. Everything in my hands only. So I will start the class from very scratch level. You know, what is language, what is program, what is statement, what is token. Okay.
Okay.
Types of programming languages. Okay. So what is operator? Okay. What is data type? Very from scratch level, I'll explain you so that even non-IT student also can understand my class.
Okay.
Okay. So you need not bother about the programming. I will make you master in the programming side down the line 4 months. The only thing I'm expecting from your side is what you have to practice every day. That's it. Nothing more than this.
Yeah.
Okay? Because every day I'll give the assignments to you. So you have to complete the assignments within time. And if you attend 1 hour class, you have to practice at least 2 hours per day.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else? And before I wind up the session today, let me ask one simple question from my side. Am I going fast?
No.
Am I going slow?
No, you are on correct speed.
Yeah. Shall I go in the same pace? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you so much for your time today. Okay. Have a good night. I'll catch you tomorrow same time at 7 o'clock. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you.